At Tame Cleaning and Maintenance Limited, we specialise in delivering professional commercial cleaning across the West Midlands. With our headquarters in Birmingham, we bring scale, consistency and trusted service to every client. Our team of over 400 fully trained employees operate across multiple sectors, from office and education cleaning to showrooms and healthcare facilities. We tailor each contract to your business, whether you require contracted cleaning services or temporary cleaning staff solutions. We can cover it all. We are proud to serve large organisations, including local authorities, major retail clients and education establishments. Clients who demand high standards, reliability and discretion. Our operations are underpinned by ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 accreditations. We believe that no two sites are the same. Your dedicated account manager will conduct a full site survey, develop a bespoke cleaning plan and deliver services specific to your schedule, footprint and requirements. From classrooms and office boardrooms to washroom sanitation and supplying cleaning consumables, we can cover it all. Our staff are at the heart of what we do. All operatives are uniformed, DBS checked, reference checked and trained in COSH and health and safety regulations, giving you full confidence in who is caring for your premises. Our clients trust us to deliver time after time. Whether it's a high-profile corporate office, a school environment or a multi-site retail operation, we strive to work above and beyond expectations, providing value, reliability and cleaning excellence. With over 2 decades of experience and a strong presence across the region, Tame Cleaning is your partner for maintaining a clean, safe and productive workspace. We combine local roots with professional scale. To find out how we can support your business and tailor a cleaning solution that works for you, contact Tame Cleaning today. Let us deliver the high standards your organisation demands.